बाहों में देखो मेरी जो है बस गया वो है मिलता. This is what is. वो है मिलता तुमसे हूबहू हो जाने तेरी आंखें थी या बातें थी वजह हुए तुम जो दिल की आरज़ू.
It's very, very pleasant day and musical too. And I will tell you the reason why. Today we have a very incredible young artist all the way from India. He is none other than S. Shubham. He started singing from a very early age of 8. And then he made a very significant mark in Bollywood music industry when he turned 20 years. Because of his captivating performance and also for the soulful voice that he has. He has given many hits, but some of the major hits are like Ishq Hua and very heartfelt Mere Bhole Bhandari, and the latest one, the blockbuster, which has covered around 1.7 million views, none other than Hazar Baatein. Don't it sound so incredible? And I feel nervous today to interview him because he came all the way from India to this vibrant city of Dubai with lot of ambition. Let's dive in to know about his personal journey, his musical journey, and so much what he's doing in Dubai. And now let's turn the camera to the guest, Shubham. Welcome to another exciting episode of the Re-Engineered podcast. Myself, Madhusmita Nayak, your host.
Hi, welcome.
And first of all, welcome to Dubai and welcome to my podcast.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome. It's really nice to be over here and I'm happy, just happy I would say.
Great, and how you're feeling in Dubai? Because you are coming in the hot season, how you're
Yes.
feeling, how excited you are?
I would say again that the temperature outside are very hot, but the people over here are something who put ice on the heat.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
So they are the coolest one.
Yes.
Are you enjoying your stay?
Yes, a lot.
And before I dive into the question, what made you come here?
I would say a lot of planned things also, but a lot of surprises also I would say.
Oh, so many surprises coming up?
Yes.
Okay. And starting from your music journey, you started singing when you were 8 years and
Yes.
without any training.
Yes.
Can you just tell us how you started and how you thought that music is your goal?
It's a long way back, but I would start something from like 8 years is something of an age we don't know actually what we want to do.
Yes.
We
We
have
are
a
not
lot
in
of,
senses.
Yes, we
Yeah.
have a lot of dreams that I will do this, I will do that and all and all. But I will just give a light on it. जब 8 साल का था मैं,
हाँ.
so I used to listen to songs a lot.
Okay.
But I didn't had that audacity like कि कहीं गाऊँ मैं. But I was just sitting and I was just murmuring something and something. So one of my relative came close to me and he was like, "You sound like him and you sing very good."
Sound like him, one of the
Yes.
prominent musician.
Yes,
okay.
Yes. So I think it was Adnan Sami's song.
अच्छा.
Very.
गाना याद है आपको? कौन सा गाना था?
I don't remember. I think. I don't actually remember.
8
It's
साल
on
में
my
किसी
lip.
को याद नहीं रहता
हाँ.
है या हाँ.
तेरा चेहरा, something like that.
अच्छा.
हाँ. So it's a old song of
हाँ,
him.
हाँ.
So it started from there, and the moment he said that statement to me, कि आप बहुत अच्छा गा रहे हो उसके जैसा, I don't know what happened to me. I think the day it changed everything till now. I'm mad and into madness into music.
अमेजिंग. मतलब 8 साल में यूजुअली इंडिया में कोई भी रिलेटिव आता है, आप नाचो गाओ
Yes.
रिलेटिव के सामने, राइट? और आपने 8 years में you started murmuring and then
Yes.
how your family supported? Like, okay, यूजुअली इंडिया में लोग बोलते हैं इधर
Yes.
डॉक्टर इंजीनियरिंग
Yes.
करो, बट हाउ योर फैमिली सपोर्टेड फॉर म्यूजिक?
तो जैसे वर्ल्ड वाइड है ही थॉट कि
हाँ.
इंडियन फैमिलीज आर वेरी कंजर्वेटिव,
हाँ.
टू बी ऑनेस्ट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट it is actually on the terms of grounds. So family was like when I was still 8 to 15 17 I would say, also 15 not also 14 I would say, till that age family is like he's murmuring, he's singing, it's okay. But their main concern happened when it was around 14 years or 15 years. I asked them, I was I think around in India 17 to 16 age we passed 10th.
अच्छा.
So at that age I asked them that I want to go into this, I'm very sure about this, I have a lot of interest
कि
in
सक्सेस
this.
मिलेगा मेरे को
and
इसमें.
I love this.
हाँ.
But my parents were like nahi, they were very strictly firm कि नहीं ये करना ही नहीं है, you further continue your studies. But I was also sensible enough that I know that even we have to study also, we need to have that also hold. So 2 years passed, I didn't leave music, I was just singing. I trained myself in that period also. I listened to a lot of songs, various of singers, and at that time I would say my idol was idolization about a singer started at that age, I would say.
Okay.
Around 16 or something, because before that I was like singing a song, listening to it and just murmuring it, singing it. So Sonu Nigam sir, I would
अच्छा,
say.
so
Yes.
he is your role model.
Yes, role
Okay.
model. So from the age of 14 till now also, a lot of learnings I have got from him. And other singers is also there, Adnan Sami, Asha Bhosle ji, so Lata Didi.
Famous,
no word
yes,
to say
no
about
word to
it.
say, yes.
So continuing, it was like 16, I asked them, they were saying no. Then I passed 12th. So I thought I'm showing them कि मैं
Did
पढ़ाई
you pass
कर
with good marks? You make your
Yes,
parents happy?
yes,
So
yes.
that was the criteria.
Yes,
Okay.
कि मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ देखो,
हाँ.
बट मैं म्यूजिक भी
Music भी
करना
नहीं
चाहता
छोड़ना
हूँ.
चाहता,
हाँ.
हाँ.
But then too they were like नहीं, तुम पढ़ाई करो, इसमें कुछ नहीं है.
पैसा
There is
नहीं
no
मिलता
scope.
है.
हाँ,
हाँ.
there is no scope to it.
हाँ.
And I being from a family business background, my family runs a real estate company in India from 25 years plus.
Oh wow.
Yes. So it was started by my dad. Okay. So they were like very sure कि ये करना ही नहीं है. He will become an पढ़ाई करेगा and then he will be I'm right now architect.
Okay.
So पढ़ाई करके कुछ बनेगा and then business handle करेगा.
So you are an architect
Yes,
also.
yes.
Oh,
So
amazing.
I'm someone who designs the spaces, turns them
Again,
into
another creative
Yes,
field.
yes,
Okay.
yes. And I have done my architecture from Sir J.J. College of Architecture.
Nice.
So it's a good college and well known worldwide also and in India also.
So how you managed doing everything at the same time, and
Yes.
what were the challenges that you faced?
I would say a lot of challenges. I would say right now, till what age I am reached, till day also, I feel the time I got was very less because I needed to manage a lot of things. Right now also, I'm managing my business portfolio also at the same time and managing my Bollywood industrial portfolio at the same
So
time.
music, business, और कुछ?
Yes. I'm an architect, so I design buildings also.
Amazing. What means
19 floors,
you are the
20
role
floors.
model of re-engineering, I think. So how you manage? Like because you are young
Yes.
and you have so much of responsibility and you are
Yes.
handling two creative world, right?
Yes,
Architecture
yes.
plus this.
And
How
who
you
are on the both opposite side, I would say.
Exactly,
Yes, they
exactly.
are.
It's 180-degree
Yes.
opposite. Like how you manage that, and who supports you?
To be honest, mom, dad are always with us. They love us. So even if we make a fault, they will support us. But the world will not.
Yes,
And that's
true.
the truth. So we have to be ready. And for that, I have put a lot of efforts inside me. I have churned out every second, every minute if I get, I don't waste it. I just make it more progressive and what better I can do today and for tomorrow.
Amazing. So you're so disciplined. You
Yes,
don't even
yes,
waste, yeah?
yes.
Okay, so that's how you had planned
Yes.
your entire 24
Yes,
hours.
yes. And I was someone, I will tell a point, I was someone कि थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, so
हाँ,
that would be great
definitely
also.
बोलिए, हाँ.
I am someone जिसका body type ऐसा है, we call it endomorphic.
Okay.
So even if I drink water or I eat this much also, my body converts that into a lot of fats. So I was a lot obese also.
Okay.
I was
Now you are
120
completely fit
Yes, I was
and
122 kgs plus, so it was a lot.
is it?
Yes.
At what age?
I guess near COVID, I was
Oh,
at that
okay.
age. That weight, I mean.
120 kg and
120
Abhi?
kg
Abhi, if you don't mind, if you can share.
Yes, I'm around 87.
But you have reduced
A lot,
more than
lot.
30 kgs and you
Yes,
are
yes.
your physique is so perfect
Yes,
right
thank
now.
you so much. And it was all for music, I would say.
Yeah, for Bollywood.
Yes, yes.
But actually discipline helped you out in
Yes,
this.
yes.
Okay, okay. So without training, okay, so we all know Bollywood is so competitive,
Yes,
so
yes.
intensely competitive. And you said that till 17 you were just listening and idolizing
Yes.
Sonu Nigam and listening to him
Yes.
and different other artists
Yes.
and learning from them without any training.
Yes.
So how after that did you go for training? Did some courses? So how you managed all this?
That's a good twist point to that. So मेरा ऐसा था कि whenever I tried joining classical 3 times. So classical is something today I know it has a base, it has a value, and it has that magic which can turn any normal singer into a phenomenal singer.
Wow, so classical music.
Yes, it's very important. So
Okay.
first I used to think कि classical is not made for me because I didn't get the right guru. मुझे actual जो सही गुरु है वो नहीं मिल रहा था.
अच्छा.
So guru sahi milna is also very important, I would say, to a lot of people, because it melts you in such a way and then diverts you, and if he is not appropriate, he doesn't know what you are up to, what god gifted things you have, and then he teaches you. That is the
Correct.
way. So those two guru were वो अच्छे नहीं थे, ऐसा नहीं था, वो भी अच्छे थे, बट ऐसा होता है कि वो बॉन्डिंग नहीं हो पा रहा था. तो आई वॉज लाइक क्लासिकल मेरे लिए नहीं बना है, बिकॉज वो जब भी सीख रहा था मेरा सिंगिंग खराब हो रहा था.
अच्छा,
so
मतलब ट्रेनिंग
I
के
was
बाद
not
भी, हाँ.
progressing. I was getting down.
हाँ.
So then recently, I would say 2 years ago, I got a nice guru whom with I vibe a lot, and then from there I have progressed a lot with classical background also.
Oh wow, and आपका जितने सारे hits हुए हैं अभी,
Yes.
वो सारे after Guru.
Yes.
And the way you have sang the Bhole Bhandari,
Yes.
it's like amazing. So it's kind of classical touch
Yes,
also,
yes.
right? Okay.
So the main point I would say behind that is कि आजकल industry में you can see, I'm not pointing to someone or someone, but there are very less singers who have a versatility. You can see.
Correct.
And my role model is, Sonu Nigam. So he is, I don't have any words. I don't want to say package of versatility or something. I respect him a lot. I love Sonu sir a lot.
He's so versatile.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I would just say that even 10% of him I would grasp. It would be grateful. So from there where I started, I wanted to be a versatile singer. So as you can see, Mere Bhole Bhandari is a devotional. And people loved it. I have done good in it, what people say. And at the same other side, I do love ballads also, love songs also.
Ishq hua.
Yes, romantic also.
हाँ.
So I just want to be someone who is very versatile.
So saying that, because I'll come to Sonu Nigam sir
Yes,
later, because
yes.
I've seen one of your Instagram where he was performing and he waved at you. And
Yes.
you were so happy,
Yes.
and when you're talking, you have twinkling in your
Yes,
eyes
yes,
talking about
yes.
him, and he's also so versatile.
Yes.
How do you choose your projects? Because you do all genre and different
Yes,
projects,
yes,
right?
yes.
What is that one thing based on what you choose your music?
Okay, so till now the exposure and knowledge I have abhi tak, so I would say इसमें कि right now
हाँ.
I know what feel means in a song,
Okay.
because right now we do this usually in India when we take the Ustad and legends name. So Mohammad Rafi Saab ji, everyone knows him. So he's someone right now I'm listening him a lot. So Sonu sir also has followed him a lot, and I think after listening around 15 to 16 years of Sonu sir, I started recently listening him. So
Acha.
if someone directly starts listening to Rafi Saab, it would be not that easy to grasp it. So the main points come there. Rafi Saab, Mohammad Rafi Saab was also very, very, very versatile.
Versatile,
singer. As
yeah.
you can see, he has sung like variations which we cannot even count. So even they used to not choose something. I would not say anything on their point, but I would say on my point. If a song lets me give a feeling that yes, you can sing this from your heart out, then that's the song for you.
Okay.
That is how you choose it.
So it's not the brain, it's the heart thing.
Yes, it's the
Yeah.
heart.
So that's how you select.
Yes.
Okay, amazing. So
Yes.
now, as you said, like, you know, what I feel like music is more about emotions.
Yes.
And you are telling like you keep listening to them, like
Yeah.
Sonu Nigam and Mohammad Rafi
Saf.
and all of them. So it is more about listening to them and observing them and
Yes,
taking their
yes,
style
yes,
and
yes,
practice.
yes. It's very important. I think listening is something is like if I would say 100% you have to put efforts on something, then do 30% riyaz and do 70% listening. Because we humans are made such by God's grace that we sense something. We need to understand that you sense something, then you produce it.
Correct.
And riyaz is something where you produce something. And to do it, you have to get senses. You have to listen to something. So if you're putting 70% in listening, for sure you can produce 30% better.
Yeah.
So that's
So that's how the 70-30 ratio is.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes, yes.
So that it means like you listen, you observe,
Yes.
and then you produce it.
Yes, yes.
Very good. It's a nice technique, and I think
Yes.
this will be an advice
Yes,
and
a
piece of
lot.
advice for all the young
Yes.
aspiring singers looking up to
Yes,
you.
yes.
So you being the role model for the youngsters who are aspiring to get into Bollywood or any kind of
Yes.
music, what is that one advice that you will give them in terms of discipline?
In terms of discipline, the first thing मैं जो बोलना चाहूँगा कि वो focus रहना चाहिए. Now focus on what? Focus on their art, and they need to have passion for it. And then also in art, they need to know what they are doing and what art they have. So focus on that streamline only, and you just have to focus in such a way that you don't get diverted, and you just put your efforts. Focus on it. Efforts. Tomorrow it will come. Focus on it. Efforts. Day after tomorrow, focus on it. Efforts. And that's how you.
So to be very, very focused and do incremental
Yes. Yes.
growth and, to see.
You
Okay.
should be such focused that you know that you are progressing.
Correct.
If in 2-3 weeks you can see a bit of progress also, that's also great.
Oh, amazing. So can you tell me how your 24 hours routine looks like?
It starts with gym. I would say not everyone will say this, सब लोग नहीं कहेंगे, but I think for me मेरा routine start होता है मेरी नींद से.
अच्छा.
Because अगर वो ही
Sleep is
नहीं
the
है,
first
yes,
thing. Yes, very important.
people don't think likewise, but
Yes.
I think this way. कि
Very
night is where
nice.
the day starts. So आप सोते हो पहले, then I get up, then I go to gym. Usually ऐसा भी है कि weekly twice I go running for 5 am also.
Oh.
I run for straight 1 hours. So I usually do that. So that's all how I lose a lot of
Lost
weight.
the
इतना मैंने
30
weight
kg,
कैसे
हाँ.
lose किया. So then I go to my business schedule.
Okay.
So till 8 to 9 I'm wholly busy, पूरा busy रहता हूँ उसमें. And then I have the night time for my riyaz time.
Okay. So night you completely devote to your music.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
A lot of friends मुझे बुलाते हैं कि यहाँ मिलते हैं, चल आजा, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं. It's not someone, I am not someone who जिसको मतलब life enjoy नहीं करनी.
हाँ.
Yeah. But the thing is, music is something. I just
Music is
feel
your life.
like नहीं आना, मैं रियाज कर रहा हूँ.
This shows, your smile shows,
Yes.
right? Like how committed you are, right? So, and that is something, that is the thing that you have to be so focused in your
Yes,
life, right?
yes,
To
yes,
achieve something.
yes.
And do you think, as you rightly pointed out, a mentor, having a mentor in your
Yes.
life is so important,
Yes.
and they can make you or break you.
Yes.
Yeah. And would you not mind to tell your guru's name to our audience, like who has actually shaped up your career?
Yes. So his name is, I would say, with all respect, his name is Bajrang Badsha, and it's the same guy who's been with me right over here.
Amazing.
So-
We'll bring him also in the studio.
Yes, yes.
And yeah.
So he's someone I would call him a mentor. Guruji is someone who gives you education, who lets you know things, and that's also important. But someone who shows you right path with whole purity in heart. That's what
Correct.
matters. Is something which God sends someone with you, and I am very grateful that person is with me. And it's been a great journey till now, and I hope it will be a lot greater with him.
And I'm wishing you good luck
Yes.
and more power to you. I will
Yes,
see
yes.
someday you prospering and all your music getting more than 5 million views. And you're so
Yes,
young and committed. That is the thing. So this is the younger generation and advice to people like, okay,
Yes.
you have all the resources.
Yes.
Gone are those days because I'm already 40. So that point of time, resources was a challenge.
Challenge.
But right now, resources are not that of a
Not that of a
challenge.
challenge.
But sincerity, commitment, and
Yes,
focus
yes,
is very
yes.
much required.
Very much important.
Yeah. Now coming to the other side of the part, right? Like you are an engineer,
I'm an architect. Sir.
you are an
Yes, yes.
architect, and you also look after your real estate business of your
Yes,
family,
yes, yes, yes.
and you also do riyas and you do so many music albums. How you enjoy life?
I don't मतलब मैं कुछ सोचता ही नहीं. I don't fix anything. That's
You
how
just
I-
do it. आप
Yes.
कैसे enjoy करते हो खाने पे? Like what is your favorite thing?
I'm a very die-hard foodie.
Okay.
मैं इतना foodie हूँ कि if God gives me कि आपका weight नहीं बढ़ेगा
हाँ.
या आपके singing पे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, जाओ दुबई में घूम लो.
हाँ.
So I would twice a hour I would eat new thing in Dubai.
You're such a big foodie.
Yes, yes,
Oh.
yes.
Nice.
But we need to be disciplined in life, and that's how we reach.
And because of your body type that you mentioned,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So
Not
you
even
ha-
that. Only for singing also, I usually don't eat colds. I don't
Cold
drink
stuff,
cold drinks.
okay.
Yes, it's been more
It
than
will impact.
years, I guess.
Oh.
More than a year, I have not eaten ice cream or something, and that's honestly a true fact.
Okay.
Yes.
So apart from discipline in your 24 hours routine, you have to be disciplined in your diet,
Yes.
what you think and what is impacting your
Yes.
voice. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell few of the tricks like what you should not take so that our young aspiring or it depends from person to person.
It depends from person to person, but I would note a point for who are there wants to जिन्हें गाना है या जिन्हें अच्छा गाना है. So ऐसा है कि रियाज इज समथिंग, जैसे हम जिम जाते हैं मसल्स का स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाने, तो रियाज इज समथिंग विच इंक्रीजेस योर थ्रोट स्ट्रेंथ. सो जो थ्रोट स्ट्रेंथ है हमारा वो इंक्रीज होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड व्हेन यू डू रियाज they get more powerful, and that is how you sing with good notes, accurate notes, and well sustained notes.
And also very important, find a good mentor.
Yes.
Yeah?
Very important.
Very important. So any trick or any advice how to find a good mentor in such a big, like there are so many mentors available. So
I
what
have
are
a
the
very
tricks?
very interesting valid point for this. मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि आप आपके कला आर्ट जो है उस पर फोकस करिए. यू जस्ट बी फोकस ओवर दैट. इफ यू विल रीच ओवर सर्टन पॉइंट, देयर विल बी समवन हु विल सी दैट ही इज कीन इनटू दिस आर्ट एंड ही विल जॉइन यू, एंड दैट इज व्हाट योर मेंटर इज.
Okay. So that is the best thing, how
Yes.
to identify and see where you are
Yes.
progressing to.
Yes.
Now coming to the other side, which is the challenging side, right? Yes, practice and everything, discipline and opportunity, mentor is
Yes.
one thing. One of the biggest thing which people usually face in music industry as a challenge. That's why they drop the challenge
Yes.
music plan and they go and do their other career. What is the biggest challenge?
Biggest challenge is like what they behold inside them is कि एक दो महीने I will sing, then I will be successful.
Okay.
6 months I will sing, then I will be successful. I think someone should not at all think कि मुझे successful होना है. That's what is focus on your art. You just हमें ऐसा सोचना है कि हमें खुद को पॉलिश करना है बस. हम आज भले फील करें हम 100% पॉलिश्ड है. द डे यू स्लीप एट नाइट, कल ऐसा सोचना चाहिए वो 100% है ही नहीं, वो 90 ही है. देन अगेन ट्राई टू रीच अगेन एन 100.
So continuously improving.
Yes,
And
yes.
consistency.
Yes.
Okay.
And never run before success.
And yeah, you are so true. Like, people when they think that with 1 month or 2 months hard work,
Yes.
they can achieve their goals, it is never like that.
It's never like that.
Never like that, yeah. So, very good advice. And do you think any point of time you felt that nahi bahut ho gaya, मेरे को छोड़ना है
A
अभी?
lot of points. See, this is very honest answer I would
Yes,
give. A
yes.
lot of points. If someone who is there जो ऐसे बोल रहा है कि कभी नहीं ऐसे कभी हुआ ही नहीं. So I think that doesn't stand even true on base. So a lot of points I would say.
And कौन आपको फिर वापस लाते हैं, आपके mentor और आपके parents?
Very honestly answering this because I think ये आपको help भी करेगा and inspire भी करेगा. It's your love and passion for your art. So that doesn't let you break because at the end ऐसा आता है कि मुझे नहीं करना है, but at the end when you wake up again or maybe in a night you will think nahi, I want to achieve that,
ओके
I want to achieve that.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है आप कैसे करते हो जब उठते थे क्या बोलते थे नहीं आज मेरे को जाना है गाना है
हाँ.
लाइक जैसे आपको डिमोटिवेट होता है कभी कि नहीं छोड़ देना है एंड व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू डू व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग
So nice question. इसके लिए I usually go to the gym. I refresh my mind. And gym is something in which your body works a lot, your blood flow increases, and your true instincts really come out at that time. And that is really a true fact. So at that time, what thoughts hit you are the real ones, to be honest to you.
Okay.
And for me, it's generally music only. So that's
सो
how
देन
I
यू
get a
डिसाइड
point.
कि नहीं बस
Yes, yes,
जाना है
yes.
जाना है और फिर से वापस करना है
करना है.
amazing and any roadblock that was there in your journey significant
As such
roadblock
significant, I would not ever faced. I have
हाँ
because I think I'm not telling कि मैंने efforts डाले इसे not faced. Maybe God's grace is there, but yes, maybe for some जो कोई सोचेगा कि हाँ ये बहुत बड़े significant है तो मैंने उन्हें significant नहीं सोचा होगा.
okay
Yes,
so you just
that-
let it go
Yes, yes.
very good and कभी ऐसा हुआ है when you are giving your live performance and all when you go to stage you found it like you know very cold and you are frozen have you
Yes,
faced certain
yes, yes, yes.
such kind of situations
Yes, for sure. I
yeah,
have.
okay
Because there are a lot of things because the drummers, the overall set, the team has to be with you. And I think singer is someone who really commands them by the way he sings.
Huh.
If he will sing with energy, then for sure the others will play with energy. And that's how the things goes on.
so he is leading the team so sometimes
Yes.
yes so you need to have that rapport with the backstage with the
Yes.
other artists on
Yes.
stage okay one of the best memory that you have or the best achievement that you have till date in your music career
I would say the Ishq Hua went very good.
so 1.7 million
No, it's someone which has crossed 5 million.
5 million already
Yes.
amazing
So it's
sir.
been a very good song of mine, and a lot of things are there. But I would say Hazar Baatein is also something which has happened nice, because I don't want to say that this song or this song and some other song has been. Every song to me
is
close
near
to my
and
heart.
close yes.
Yes.
even though follow
Even if I
views
sing
aaye,
right
nahi
over
aaye,
here,
हाँ.
so this is a majority achievement for me.
Yeah, because you said that, you have to sing now 1-2 lines from your favorite song
Okay, so I would say from Ishq Hua.
for our audience, please.
Sure. So the song ऐसा है, आपने सुना तो होगा ही. तेरा ख्याल ज़्यादा खुद का है कम, है आजकल आँखों में नींदे भी कम, खोए खोए रहते हैं, किसी की कहाँ सुनते हैं, हो जाए तू मेरा ये दिल करे दुआ, कब ये हुआ कैसे हुआ, तेरा हुआ जब से इश्क हुआ, इश्क हुआ. So it's the feel.
Oh wow, how romantic it is.
So
like seriously,
You
it's
just
a
have to
romantic.
put
yes,
the overall
yes.
feel in that. You just
Yeah.
have to be like कि आप किसी के लिए गा रहे हो, वो जज्बा है, वो passion है, and that what comes truth from your.
What a melody you
Thank you
have in
so
your
much.
voice.
Thank you
What a
so
melody.
much.
And this is how you feel it when you decide
Yes,
your projects.
Yes.
Yeah. So how being an architecture has helped you in your music industry?
That's a very, very, very genuine and very great question, I would say.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. So how I would relate to it is like architects are actually creative, to be honest. I'm not pointing out something, but engineer is someone who looks on the stability of a structure or something.
Correct.
But architects are someone who they doesn't actually care about the stability. If you plan something, we have 10 columns. Engineer be like you have to put आपको 12 column डालने हैं. 10 में होगा
क्योंकि
नहीं.
हाँ
But हम
stability
लोग
हाँ.
आर्किटेक्ट बोलेंगे नहीं यार 10 क्या 9 में करो, अच्छा दिखना चाहिए स्पेस. So we have a keen observation कि नहीं हमें creative होना है.
हाँ.
We have to make everything happening pleasant to eyes. So ऐसी music में pleasant to ears it has to be.
Correct.
And for that, there are a lot of things: your riyaz, your vocal extensions, how you prepare them, how you present them. A lot of things are there.
Amazing. So,
Yes.
how my question will be reverts right now. How music has helped you in architecture?
Very nice question again, I would say. I'm really happy the questions are coming in such a way and they are really nice.
Thank
so
you.
there are what we call as Sat Sur ki Ladi, I won't say, but I'm someone who says that
Okay.
because each note has each feel of there. I'm someone who is very good at physics also.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
So-
how academic wise you are
yes,
so good.
so
huh?
keen into physics that I think a lot into deeper. Like, why is this mug also standing on this table? So I
Okay.
have a theory about that. I usually create theories. So in Sur also, Sare Gama Padani Sa, Sa has, I have created a theory. Ki it's like a ball. It's
Okay.
like a sphere of decibel, sphere of audio volume in this medium.
So you visualize that.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's, can you consider a space and volume is created? तो जैसे सात सुर है, they have their space and volume. तो
Wow.
वाइस वर्सा आर्किटेक्चर में जो स्पेस वॉल्यूम का कंसेप्ट लाया हूँ वही यहाँ इम्प्लाई होता है. वाइस वर्सा यहाँ जो हर एक सुर का अपना स्पेस है, वैसे आर्किटेक्चर में दिस इज अ हॉल रूम, सो इट हैज इट्स स्पेस. A ballroom has its space, a bedroom has its space, so it's like that.
Oh, nice. So,
Yes.
so you interlink physics to music. You interlink
Yes.
all this creativity of music
Yes,
to
yes,
physics.
yes.
It's amazing. And you said that सात सुर का भी आपने visualization किया है,
Yes.
and you have given a space and volume to
Yes,
each
yes,
one.
yes.
Can we say the 7 notes? What you have as per your visualization? Like
So
sa is globe. You said.
Yes,
like,
it's like size of this much globe.
Okay.
So Ray becomes like this because
Okay.
every voice has its frequency,
Hmm.
and Sare Gama Padani Sa has a very standard frequency. So the frequency goes on increasing.
Hmm.
If we consider scale, if we consider a scale at a certain decibel,
It increases.
yes, it's Sare Gama Pada Ni Sa. So the frequency is increasing. So I'm imagining it such way that when the frequency increases, the volume gets huge.
Okay.
So it's a very deep theory also because ऐसा भी एक इंटरव्यू हुआ था जहाँ कृष्णमूर्ति मैम इज देयर. शी सेड कि रफ़ी साहब व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू सिंग सम सॉन्ग तो आप उसका नोटेशन फाइंड नहीं कर सकते थे.
अच्छा.
नोटेशन इन द सेंस कि गंधार ग लगा है, कोमल ग लगा है, दीज आर द अदर नोटेशंस ऑफ देम,
अच्छा.
कोमल तीव्र. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो मिले नहीं नोट्स. सो इसके लिए व्हाट आई थिंक इज बिकॉज सी वी आर लवर्स, वी डाई फॉर इट. इवन इफ आई स्लीप आई हैव ड्रीम्स ऑफ म्यूजिक. So that's how we go so deep into that.
And you find out logic and scientific
yes,
reasoning
yes,
behind
yes.
that. Okay.
So what I think the reason behind that is जैसे सा है, सा रे, this is कोमल रे something, so it's something closer to that. So it's not even कोमल रे, it's not even सा, but it
अच्छा.
is a note. So that
Okay.
note comes from the sphere theory, I would say. So that's how I would justify when कृष्णमूर्ति मैम said कि रफ़ी साहब के कुछ ऐसे गाने हैं जिनमें वो notations भी आप ढूंढ नहीं सकते. So that
क्योंकि
is
it is mixed between so
Yes,
many space,
yes,
right? Okay.
yes.
Huh.
So the space is actually the feel.
Okay.
When you're very excited, you tend to throw high notes. Then just get very excited, high energy, high volume, high notes.
Huh.
So that's how it's a lot of depth into that.
Do you dissect and decipher all these notes in your sleep? Because when you started
Yes.
in music, you said 17 years, right?
Yes.
And for every music, everything you decipher and you find out your logical
Yes,
reasoning?
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Amazing.
It's just like क्या हुआ तेरा वादा. So क्या? It's a lot of things. क्या? Then the note of that, the feel of that, the presentation of that, the way you're singing that.
Okay.
Only for that one word. Then there is
Yeah.
a whole sentence.
Yes, yes.
A lot of.
And this is what you bring your physics and architect and all this
Yes, yes.
scientific
Yes,
reasoning
yes, I would
behind
say.
that. Yeah.
I've never thrown such a depth light on a lot of things, but I think this podium is something I would say I should throw really, because a lot of people will get insights from this.
Especially because people know about music practice, but
Yes.
these are the tips and tricks
Yes, yes.
which everyone should know because.
Which I have sensed like dying it for years and years and years.
And who helped you in getting to get to know about all these tips and tricks?
I think my study also, because I was very disciplined in studies also, and I don't know, by God's grace or something, I correlate this.
So you are very, very observatory, and
Yes, yes, yes,
you tend to find out the logic behind everything.
yes, yes,
So you
yes,
just don't go swayed away by anyone. For everything, you are
yes,
grounded.
yes,
Now, coming to that question, like because we are talking about all this discipline, you got success at a very young age, but you look so grounded and
thank you.
such a humble person I have never seen. How you keep
This,
yourself grounded? How you manage your humility and how you have kept yourself so
okay,
grounded for past half an hour we are speaking and we met outside, like
okay.
how you can be so
Bec-
humble and down to earth.
because I've learned this from legends also, but that's how I am, I think. I don't consider I'm successful.
You always think that still there is something to do.
Yes, and
Okay.
it's just I want to show what I consider success. अगर मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि it's something कि the volume, कि अगर मैं successful हूँ तो I should be such a volume कि मैं positivity worldwide दे सकूँ music के लिए. If I reach that level, I know people will consider it as a success. He is so success worldwide. But what I will take it advantage is कि यार मैं म्यूजिक के बारे में पॉजिटिविटी पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड दे सकता हूँ.
So you want to say that message and you want to do
Yes.
things that will bring that impact.
Yes, yes.
Saying that, music has a very, very big influence in
Yes.
creating social impact,
Yes.
right? So it, as you said, it can solve majority of the problems
Yes.
that world is facing right
Yes,
now.
yes.
So what is your intention and what are your thought process and how you are planning to do that?
I will say one thing on it. We know Bharat Desh hai mera. There is a song in India, and that song is such a song. It's an old song, but पूरे भारत को जोड़ के रखता है. So just consider government is also good of India. It's very good. उसको जो ताकत लगती है हैंडल करने में बिलियंस ऑफ मनी, बट एक सॉन्ग अगर कर रहा है तो isn't it that worth of billions or trillions?
Definitely.
So that's what power a social impact a song can have. I just
Correct.
wanted to give an example. And considering we are also working on things like sorry, we are also working on things like environmental जो issues है, right? And societal issues जो है, like we are working on a song. There is a brother of mine, I would say Yash, he's in contact with me. Is good someone who is environmental activist also. So and he works on social cause also. Yash Mane his name is.
Okay.
हाँ. So recently he contacted me and we were discussing that how animals are treated in India or something if there is a social cause and how it reflects in environment. So we will make a song on it. So he came to me कि उसके ऊपर song बनाना है शुभम सर, तो हम इसको कैसे जाए. So the main crux मैंने उसमें भी निकाला कि the music should be such that it should connect to people first.
Okay. Okay.
So a lot of things like consider if you want to connect such a song, social cause वाला song है, वो लोगों से जुड़ना चाहिए, तो the music should be in such a way जो patriotic भी हो. ये उन्होंने insights उनको बहुत अच्छे लगे मुझसे. I
Wow.
said कि it should be a patriotic song. उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा था. They were like कि social cause पे song बनाएंगे.
But-
I gave them कि अब हम लोग एक patriotic song बनाएंगे जो social cause बताएगा.
Wow.
That is how we connect with people and that is how music can lead ways through, hearts and minds.
And
throughout
such
the
a
whole
beautiful
country.
concept of
Yes.
solving this issue of like, because this is a problem statement.
Because everyone loves their country.
Correct.
And I think हम भी इंडिया के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So everyone will and everyone loves their country. So if it's something related to patriotism, then for sure someone can also dilute their social cause problems and all.
And many congratulations for taking up such kind of projects.
Yes,
आप कर रहे हो.
yes.
I think if half of the people think like this, it will bring people and unite people together, and
Yes.
majority of the social causes will be wiped off.
Yes.
Hats off to you. And if you define success in one word for yourself and your journey till
Yes,
date,
yes.
what it will be?
Success is something which you cannot achieve, I would say. It's something deep.
So it's a journey.
Yes, it's a
So
journey.
it's never has a destination.
Yes, it never
Okay,
has a
excellent. And one advice or one message, re-engineering message, I must say, and to our audience, or if you look back to your own journey,
Okay.
what is that one message you will give to your younger self?
जैसे मैंने कहा कि when we sleep and when we wake up, जो thoughts हमें आते हैं, that is what our body actually re-engineers, and it has a very depth notion to it. I'm not someone who is very depth into knowledge, but I know भगवत गीता से भी ये चलता आ रहा है कि आप जब सुबह उठते हो 5 बजे क्यों उठना चाहिए. They used to say कि क्यों उठना चाहिए 5 बजे, क्यों 5 बजे ही, या क्यों 4 बजे के आसपास सूर्यास्त, समथिंग लाइक नियर 6 ही क्यों. Because a lot of things they have studied.
And a
UV
lot of
rays,
energy
yes,
comes,
the
yes.
UV rays suns के जो आते हैं, they have a lot of, I am some of physics guy also, so photons, electroelectricity and all things are that. But just coming to the main point, so it's like energy होता है. So the thoughts which you get when the UV rays also hit you, that is how your body re-engineers you. And that is a concept to be learned about also, I would say. And that is something I would take a concept also such that when you stop at something, don't consider it a stop, just keep on going, and that is how the re-engineering starts. Because our body, our heart is something which when a child is born, it never stops.
Yes.
So that is the best example of re-engineering. The body keeps
Very
on
good,
going.
very good. So
And that is how we have to do it. We have
Yes.
to keep on
Same
doing
like
it,
heartbeat
keep on.
never stops.
Yes.
Yeah, so we will keep doing it, and that is the advice that you
Yes.
want to give.
Yes.
Wonderful. And if given a day and asked you, like, what you will choose, a day without music or a day without favorite food?
Okay, that's a tough one, I would say, very frankly. But it's not right, like what point or I'm in Bollywood industry right now. But yes, music has always been the first one. So I can be a day without food. I can be only on water. But
You cannot
music,
be
no,
without
no.
music.
Right now also, as I say, the theory of Sur and all is going behind my mind.
Amazing. It's great to see your passion, and that is the success.
Yes.
That is the underlining factor for you being success,
Yes,
and how beautifully you yourself have disciplined
Yes,
yourself, and at
yes.
the same time handling multiple hats. Given a day you to take break for yourself, what you will do?
I cannot think of
Again, thinking
anything
about
else.
music.
Yes,
Amazing.
yes.
Amazing.
But I would add to it, if I get some day very free, I would really, I'm someone who thinks about a vision जो कि मुझे school बनाना है, musical school in India. If I reach that heights by my efforts, तो एक ऐसा school बनाना है, because in India art is there, recognition is also there. But जैसे my parents were also, आगे क्या है फिर, future क्या है, scope क्या है, or some middle class, I would not classify someone, but some किसी के parents ना efforts नहीं कर पा रहे, but there is talent, there is the potential in that person, in that artist. So वो क्या करे? So I want कि एक दिन ऐसा है मैं वैसा school बनाऊं, and he just has to come over there, he will have potential, he will get
And-
polished, and one day he will stand on his legs, and for other peoples also.
What a brilliant idea
you
and
so
thoughtful
much.
idea. And I must pray for you to bring such, like, you will be successful, and I'm sure you'll be
Thank
successful.
Thank you so much.
And what a noble thought you are thinking about, bringing.
Yes.
Like, you will be applying your physics, you will be applying your architectural
Yes. As you
skills.
said, architecture, so I was like, the school should be of a guitar shape. So not a standing guitar.
Okay.
So guitar is placed on a ground at certain angle. A lot of creativity.
I can visualize now how the
Yes.
school will look like.
Yes.
And brilliant thoughts. And I think you are a voice artist, music artist, but your scientific thoughts
Yes.
and your creativity and your architectural background will take you to a different powerhouse of success.
Thank you so
And
much.
it was lovely to have you.
Same over here, same over here.
And to my audience who is listening to Shubham right now, his passion, his dedication, and his logical reasoning behind everything has made him successful so much. And the best part of him is like the humility and the thought process and the future vision that he's going to carry forward and way forward. And music, I think, is his life.
Yes.
And I think everything revolves around music, and wishing you good luck for that.
Thank you so much.
And it was pleasure having you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And this show is not yet over. And to our lovely audience, please hold on because we will be having a musical rapid fire with S. Shubham, where we will be coming to know that what are the logical reasoning behind music for him and what question answers he is giving, because he is so scientifically connected to music. So please stay tuned and watch what are his answers. So are you, Shubham, ready for this?
Yes, I am.
Okay, here we go. What's your go-to shower song?
हम किस गली जा रहे हैं? It's a Atif Aslam song.
Okay, so you keep singing that while taking
Yes.
shower?
It's like I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going and I will go.
Beautiful. A song that always gets you on the dance floor.
आजा नचले,
Aja Nachle. Okay.
आजा नचले.
Your favorite Bollywood playback singer, which we all know, Sonu
Sonu
Nigam.
Yes.
A genre of music you secretly enjoy but haven't tried singing yet.
There's some like English songs also, so it's something like not rap actually, but something metal I love.
Okay.
Yes, but I have never tried it.
So you are planning to practice for some rap music too?
Yes, I would love to. I'm an artist who is open to everything. I want to
And
be
try
versatile.
everything out.
Like a
yeah.
pop song in which beats are going very fast, and I'm just yelling, but at the same time enjoying the moment. I'm open to it also.
Amazing. If you could only listen to one song for the rest of your life, what it would be?
There's Rafi Sahab, उनका एक song है. So the song is O Duniya Ke Rakhwale. It's a very deep song, and that song is someone I'm nothing to say that, but I would say from my core of heart that it marks Rafi Saab's place in my heart. O
Okay.
Duniya Ke Rakhwale.
And why you like that song so much?
It tells, the song is written such fluently about a human life and how we are connected to God. And it also tells a lot of things about music also. It tells usually how we are born and how we die. So
Okay. So the life, the
yes,
complete life
yes,
cycle of a
yes,
human
yes,
being.
Yes.
Amazing. Most challenging song you have ever sung?
It's really this song only.
Yeah?
It's very challenging. Rafi Saab has sung it in such a, I have no words, I would say godly way. It's really impossible if we think someone can sing again that.
Okay.
So that is
in
the
in
challenge
that same
that.
way.
Yes,
Okay.
that's the challenge. in that.
Okay. Amazing. One word to describe your voice. I have the answer, but
Love
I
for
want.
music.
Okay. But I must say, your emotions are so connected to your voice, and it's marvelous.
Thank you so much.
Favorite place to perform live?
Dubai, I would consider.
Definitely. This is the place where we want,
Yes.
our audience want to hear your voice. You have a magical voice. A musical instrument you wish you could play.
Guitar.
You play guitar?
Yes, I play, but the level which I wanted to, I never, because I mostly focus on my vocals.
Okay.
Yes.
The weirdest or most unusual place you have come up with a song idea?
Weirdest. Okay, this is nice, I guess. I was batting and the bowler was very fast arm bowler.
Okay.
And he was bowling. Then too also that I was thinking about song.
Did you bat or no? You were
Yes, I
thinking.
bat.
Okay.
Yes.
You batted, but you were thinking about the song that time.
Yes, I was connecting a lot of things right
Okay.
then also.
I can imagine ball coming and
Yes.
smashing on your face, and
And I
still
have to
you're
hit it
thinking.
also, but at the same time thinking about something musically.
I think you are God gifted. Touchwood, God bless you with such
you
a
so much for that.
beautiful observation and doing multitasking. Usually we say that women are multitasking, but I must say all voice artists, all artists and all enthusiastic, passionate people think multiple ways and they're multitasker. Any one last thing that you want to say to our audience?
I love them. I love all of you, and just keep showing love for the music first of all, and then the love for my voice and my music. And I promise every one of you that more songs are gonna come जो आपको बहुत 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 ही ज़्यादा दिल को छुएंगे, पसंद आएंगे. And मैं ज़रूर ये प्रॉमिस करूँगा एंड आई विल बी वेरी लॉयल टू म्यूज़िक एंड उसी में है वो रियल आर्ट झलकेगा.
Very good, and we all love you for your
Thank you so
music,
much.
and we love you, and we love your music. And now, talking to you and getting to know what you think, and
you
being
so
some a humble person, we love you more.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Any last message for Reengineered Club?
It's been a great experience. I don't think there's anything I would say on my point. I'm really happy to be over here and बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मुझे. I think awesomeness से भी awesomeness and square of that is something I would
Scientific
say.
logic. Thank you so
Yes.
much. It was
Yes.
pleasure having you, and good
Thank you
luck.
so much.
Namaste, sir. Thank you for coming to Reengineered podcast. And शुभम ने बोला कि उसका लास्ट 2 years में जितना ग्रोथ और सक्सेस और जितना डिसिप्लिन वे में वो अभी ग्रो कर रहा है टुवर्ड्स हिज डेस्टिनेशन, सबसे बड़ा हाथ उनका मेंटोर आप सर है. सो आप इतना रिनाउंड एक्टर है एंड यू हैव परफॉर्म ब्यूटिफुल रोल इन फ्रॉम बॉम्बे टू गोवा एज एक्टर झुमरू एंड doing stand-up comedy, and you're so well known in Bollywood. So, sir, what is your proud moment that you have for Shubham, and people will look for you as for someone as a mentor? What message you have for Shubham?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपके चैनल का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ.
Thank you, sir.
यू. आपने शुभम एक नए कलाकारों को आपने जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, और अभी तो गा चुका है टी सीरीज़ के लिए, टिप्स के लिए गा रहा है बहुत, उसका आने वाले भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. लेकिन मैंने इसका सबसे पहला एक गाना किया था, उसका एल्बम का नाम का था कैसी थी तेरी बातें.
Okay.
एक गाना मैंने उसको दिया था.
हाँ.
उसका जोश देख के दिया था. तो ठीक है, गा दिया उसने.
कितने साल का सर था वो तब?
ये मे बी वो 18 साल 17 साल का था वो गाना. तो वो उसके एज था, तो उस वक्त उसने गा दिया. बट दैट टाइम ही वाज नॉट सो परफेक्ट. तो मैंने कहा कि देख तू मेहनत कर ले तो हो जाएगा. तो ये बात बोल के तो मैं भूल गया.
हाँ.
लेकिन इस लड़के ने मुझे ऐसा चौंका दिया कि ये 3 साल के बाद में मुझे एक मराठी सॉन्ग, वो भी शंकर महादेवन का गणनायकम, बहुत फेमस सॉन्ग है. ये गाना उसने मुझे गा के, आजकल तो व्हाट्सअप सब उसने मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दिया. आप यकीन करें, ये जब मैं गाना सुना तो मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं कि ये लड़का मेरी बात को इतना सीरियस ले लेगा. हालांकि ये काम में बहुत सीरियस है, क्योंकि डैडी का इसका स्टेट बिजनेस है. ये सवेरे 7 बजे जाता है, फिर वो एक्सरसाइज वगैरह करता है. नो बैड हैबिट्स ही गॉट. आई नो दैट.
भी है,
आर्किटेक्ट भी है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने देखा. लेकिन ये जब इसने गाना गाया तो मुझे चौंका दिया. मैंने कहा यार, सबसे वो पहले मैंने उसको फ़ोन किया और मैंने कहा शिवम ये तूने गाया? तो हंसने लगा, बोला हाँ भाई मैंने गाया. अरे यार आई कांट बिलीव. बोले मैं कल 11 बजे तेरे को मिलता हूँ. तो बोला हाँ भाई मिल लेंगे. और मैंने देखा तो बस उस दिन से मैंने उसको बोला कि आज से तू काम पे लग जा, बाकी की जिम्मेदारी मेरे पे छोड़ दें. वो दिन रहा और आज का दिन रहा मैम. ये लड़का सुबह से लेकर शाम तक इसके रियाज जो भी चीज़ है टाइम टू टाइम करता है. कहते हैं ना कि कलाकार मरता नहीं है बल्कि ज़िंदा दफनाया जाता है. कलाकार मरता नहीं बल्कि ज़िंदा दफनाया जाता है. जब भी कब्र को होता तो वो सिर्फ तालियों के इंतज़ार में पाया जाता है. और ये लड़का, मैंने इसके लिए दिल से अकेले ने ताली बजाई थी, कल दुनिया बजाएगी.
वाओ.
हाँ. और उसके बाद में एक रोल आता है शब्बीर अहमद साहब का. शब्बीर अहमद जो हमारे बॉलीवुड के बहुत बड़े राइटर हैं, और एक ज़माने में मतलब मेरे खास दोस्त हैं. तो मैंने इस बच्चे को जब लेके गया तो बोले यार भाई इस बच्चे के लिए एक गाना. बोले यार मैं नए को कैसे के चांस दे सकता हूँ. बोले दैट्स माई गारंटी. आप जब कोशिश करोगे किसी टैलेंट को देखो आप प्लीज़. तो काफ़ी मैंने झगड़ा किया उसके साथ में. और शब्बीर भाई भी बहुत हंसे. बोले यार भाई जब आप को तो मैं बहुत मानता हूँ, जब आप इतने अच्छे कलाकार हैं तो हो सकता है आपने लेके आया. तो काफ़ी मेहनत की शब्बीर भाई ने भी इनके ऊपर. एंड इतना ही कहूँगा शुभम के लिए कि आने वाले दिनों में ये बहुत अच्छा कलाकार बनेगा, और सबकी दुआ रहेगी तो बॉलीवुड का बहुत ही अच्छा फनकार बन जाता है.
वेरी नाइस सर, मज़ा आ गया सुन के. एंड आजकल के टैलेंट में भी एक अच्छा मेंटोर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड सर कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर शोइंग हिम द वे एंड हाउ सेल्फलेसली यू आर हेल्पिंग हिम. एंड लास्ट मैसेज शुभम के लिए और हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए जो कि ऐसे यंग एस्पायरिंग आर्टिस्ट है एंड दे आर लुकिंग फॉर मेंटोर्स लाइक यू.
क्या मैसेज दूँ? एक हास्य कलाकार हूँ और इतना ही कहूँगा कि शुभम के लिए आप सभी दुआ करें और वो अच्छा गाएगा, ये गारंटी हमारी है. और एक कॉमेडियन होने के नाते इतना ही कहूँगा कि हंसी का गम का उदासी का बाब होता है, हर चेहरा एक मुकम्मल किताब होता है, और हक उसी इंसान का होता है मुस्कुराने का जिसके दिल में हो गम ज़माने का।
वाह,
हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए और संगीत सुनिए, म्यूजिक सुनिए, शुभम को सुनिए।
thank you sir, thank you so much. And I think योर सेल्फलेसनेस एंड आपका जो प्यार है और मोहब्बत है एंड सेल्फलेसली आप शुभम के लिए कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक 90% ऑफ हिज सक्सेस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू एंड योर लव.
थैंक यू।
Thank you so much and great having you, sir. Thank you. And to our lovely audience listening to us and beautiful artists, incredible artists who came all the way and gave us some time to exchange what his thoughts are for music, his love for music, and his passion, and what are his upcoming projects, what he's looking for doing a social impact. Thank you so much, and please stay tuned every Friday, 6 p.m. UAE time. We make sure that we come up with a re-engineered story that will change your life, that will inspire you to do something. Signing off, Madhusmita Naik, your host. Till then, keep re-engineering for happiness. Thank you.